Good morning, everyone. Happy Friday. I wish I was here live with you instead of what I'm having to have done this morning. But I'm going to go through these letters and talk about syllables with you. And we're going to do another story that you will be able to answer a discussion question about. So let's get started with our letter, which is J. And we're going to do capital J first. So when we do capital J, you see that we make a curve, and it is a big curve. We start at the top, go down, and curve. Then we have a short stick at the top. So we go down and curve, short stick at the top. Down and curve, short stick at the top. Do a couple more. Make sure that you're touching the top and the bottom line. If you're writing on line paper, it's just a big curve and a short stick. Okay? Now, our lowercase j looks a lot like our lowercase I. Our lowercase I just had the short stick, but the j has a short stick that turns into a curve. And you see that it goes below the bottom line, okay? So I start right here, and I go down and curve, and then like the I just put a dot at the top. So I go down and curve, dot at the top. Down and curve, dot at the top. Down and curve, dot at the top. Now, I'm going to show you a couple things that we do not want to do. We do not want to do this because it's not going below that dotted line or below that bottom line. So this one is wrong. We also don't want to do this for two reasons. It didn't stop right there, and it stopped at the bottom line. It did not go under it. Okay, so that one's not right either. And one thing that's easy to get confused is if you do it and you put the curve this way. Well, that makes it a backwards J. So that's not right either. You make sure you start right here, come all the way down and curve below that bottom line. Then you put your dot at the top. Okay? Just make sure your curve is going the correct way. Alright, yesterday we talked about syllables. And so today we're going to sort some pictures. Okay? And I'm going to hold up the picture, and then we're going to clap it. Okay, so my first picture is a pumpkin. So clap that with me. Pumpkin. So that is going to go underneath the number 2. Okay, our next picture. This is a ring, like you wear it on your finger. A ring. So let's clap this one. Ring. That's only 1. So it would go right here. Okay, now I have a banana. Okay, so let's clap banana. Banana. Do that one more time. Banana. Good. So that makes 3. Now, if I can pick it up and move it. There we go. All right, let's do a couple more. This is a kite. So let's clap that. Kite. It's only one time, only clapped one time. So it goes over here. Then our triangle. Triangle. Do it again. Triangle. That's 3 times. So that goes over here under my 3. And then my last one is a mitten. Mitten. Okay? Mitten. So that's 2. Alright, so let's review these. We have a ring, ring, so it's under the 1. Kite, kite, so it's under the 1. Then we have a pumpkin, pumpkin, that was 2 times. Mitten, mitten, that was 2 times. Then we had these that had 3, banana, banana, okay, and then we had triangle, triangle, those were both 3. So you're going to do some sorting today on your assignment with some pictures. You're going to sort them to how many syllables there are, how many times you had to clap, 1, 2, or 3, okay? And then you are going to have this little story. We're going to listen to this, and then you're going to have a discussion, okay? So this is titled, We Can Help. So listen as we hear about how we can help and how these kids can help at school.
We can help. Every school day is a busy day. There is work to do and there are games to play. Everyone can work and everyone can play too. Trina can help start the day. The teacher is busy saying, "Good morning." Trina holds the door open for her classmates. Tim can help everyone learn. The teacher opens a box of books. Tim hands them out, 1 book to each classmate. Sue can help clean up. The teacher carries the paint pots to the sink. Sue carries the paintbrushes. Jake can help on the playground. The teacher unlocks the shed door. Jake wheels out the cart of playground balls. Now everyone can play.
Okay, so they talked about the different ways that they can help at school. And I want you to think about ways that you can help either at school or at home. And that's what your assignment today is to answer the discussion question, how can you help? Think about things you can do to help at school, at home, whoever, if you're at your grandparents' house, wherever you are, what are some things you can do to help? Okay? And I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend. I will be back on Monday, and I can't wait to see you then.